Hi guys, this is Taylor from NSELED. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm so excited to introduce our new product from retail series, NSEP3 Outdoor Shopping Logo LED Screen. Our screen comes in a standard double-sided. It's 384 by 384 millimeters, and we also offer customized size to fit your needs. With Wi-Fi control and plug-and-play design, our screen enables real-time updates. Connect the screen Wi-Fi. Open the software. Choose the materials you need and click the theme. So you can easily manage it anytime and anywhere. What makes it stand out is its ultra slim, lightweight design. With 5,500 nits brightness, it stays clear in sunlight and offers multiple installation options for various outdoor use. And no worries about the weather. It's IP65 waterproof. Safe to use even on rainy days. Whether you run a retail, an exhibition, or club, our screen is a great replacement for traditional light boxes. So, if you are looking to grab attention or boosting your visibility, our P3 Outdoor Shopping Logo LED Screen is your best choice. For more details, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or get in touch with us. See you next time!